Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Trello Cloud board access issues step by step clearly. To fix Trello Cloud board access issues, first, verify your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection to the internet. If your connection is unstable, restart your router or switch to a different network. Next, log into your Trello account. Check if you are using the correct credentials associated with the board. If you forgot your password, use the password recovery feature to reset it. Once logged in, locate the board you want to access. Confirm that you have the appropriate permissions for that board. If the board belongs to a team, ensure you are a member of the team. If you are not a member, request access from the board's admin. If you can't find the board, check if it was archived. Navigate to the board's menu and click on Archive Boards to inspect. If the board is archived, you can restore it from there. In some cases, clearing your browser's cache may resolve access issues. Open your browser settings and locate the option to clear browsing data. After clearing the cache, log back into Trello and attempt to access the board again. If problems persist, consider trying a different browser or switching to incognito mode. Sometimes browser extensions may interfere with Trello's functionality. If you suspect this might be the case, disable extensions one by one and check access again. You can also check Trello's status page for any ongoing outages or disruptions. If Trello's services are down, you may need to wait until they resolve the issue. Lastly, if you are still encountering problems, reach out to Trello support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This will help them assist you more effectively. Follow these steps to resolve your access issues and regain full access to your Trello board. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.